Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Brian D's channel, and I'm your host Brian D. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, we got our hands full today. We got the LOL, OMG, Fashion House, dollhouse. So this is what you're gonna get. This is what's in this giant box when you buy it from the store. And you have a bunch of these small packages, and I'm just going through, and we're gonna do this together, folks. I've never put one of these together, so I'm fixing to figure it out. And as I figure it out, I will share with you the information that I get, so it's a little bit easier on you. I did notice that these boxes are all labeled. Well, not all of them, but most of them. Like that one's got A on it, and that one over there has got D on it. And I don't believe this one had anything on it, but it looks like it's got slide stuff in it. That over there with D on it looks like it's slide stuff. And this looks like furniture and whatnots. And of course, this is going to be all your wood panels. So this is going to be essentially the frame of your house. So stay tuned. As we get this figured out, I will let you know.